Okay, so good day friends. We are given a question here to solve. We are asked to find the value of T and F. Now this topic is under statics in further math, equilibrium of forces. Okay, now if you look at the diagram here and you see the diagram here, you find out that there's something similar. I use a triangular method to solve this problem. Okay, now this line here, which represent the tension, I drew it here. You see that this line and this line are alike in the direction they are facing. Now this other line goes this way, same as this. Okay, so I use the way the lines are arranged here in order to form this triangle. The load which is pointing downward is this vertical line here. So what I did was to first draw this line that is vertical, okay, which represent this. I now connected this line from this end this way. Good. Then what else I did? I now joined this and this together using this other line which is pointing towards this direction. Okay, so this is how I got this triangle, and the angle between the tension and this vertical line is 30 degrees. That is why I put the 30 degrees here, because this is our tension and this is a vertical line. Okay, so this 30 degree must be between a vertical line and the tension. If I had put it here, it would have been wrong, because this angle is between the tension and the horizontal. Are we together? All right, so now this gives us a right angled triangle. Okay, now if you look at a right angled triangle, the side that is opposite to the 90 degrees, we call it the hypotenuse. The side that bears both the angle in consideration and the 90 degree, we call it the adjacent side, while the side that faces that's directly opposite to the angle, we call it the opposite side. Okay, now if you look at what we have here, we are asked to find what they call T and F. Now if you make use of sign, you won't be able to get your F and T. The reason is because none of the values in this ratio is given. Okay, so that was why we now went to this. You know, sine theta is what? Is opposite of hypotenuse, so catua opposite of hypotenuse. And since this is our opposite side and this is our hypotenuse, it gave us F over T. Since we don't know any of the two values, we leave it. We come to this, cos 30 degrees is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse, and the adjacent is this side which we know, and the hypotenuse is this T, the longer side. So if you do this, you will be able to find T. We crossed multiplied. We have T multiplied by cos 30, T cos 30 equal to what? 50. Now since T is what we are looking for, we divided both sides by cos 30 and we have this. Okay, so in order to get our F, okay, I now made use of tan. Tan is opposite over adjacent, so tan theta is opposite over adjacent, since we know the adjacent side. Now if you cross multiply F, will come down here. 50 would multiply 10 30, and 50 10 30 will give us 28.87 Newton. So with this, you have solved the question. Thank you.